Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add the toggle switch button in WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that it will simply take you to the page, and there you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, and then you have to simply put in your login credentials there. And once you put your login credentials there, what you need to do is simply click on the edit site option from the right hand side in the quick links. And once you click on the edit site, it will simply take you to the site, and from here you have to just simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar. And once you click on the plus icon, it will simply take you to a page like this, and here you have to simply search for the radio option like this. Here you can see you have already typed in the radio, and we have got the single choice radio. From here you have to simply choose this and drag it to the website that you would like to edit. And after that, here you can see that there is option of choose and one option. Now you can just give a option to your viewers now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.